Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to chat on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So open your Zoom client and join into a meeting, or you can host a meeting. So here I'm in meeting, and to start chat, click on this more icon and then click on chat. And here you can select who can see your chat messages. You can select everyone in meeting. Also you can select specific participant from this list, and then you can type here your message. And this is how we can chat on Zoom. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.